Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can remove your professional dashboard from your Instagram page very easily. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. And let's get into this topic with you. Please open up Instagram on your phone and then you'll need to go to your page. In order to switch from the professional dashboard, go to the three bars in the top right corner. Next, customize your settings and privacy. And here you'll be able to find a section called for Professional Dashboard. And you'll need to click on Tools and Controls. And then select Switch Account Type at the bottom. And as you can see, you can switch your account to either a personal or private account, or a business account, and you choose which one suits you best. I'm going to switch to a personal account. You need to confirm the action. And now you have to either update your Instagram or log out and log back in. It's more efficient. And as you can see, the window that was here, the professional dashboard, it's gone now. Friends, this is the way to remove professional control panel from your Instagram page. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.